Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm trying out one of the Item Beauty products, which is Addison Rae's makeup line, and I got the Lucky Line Gel Pencil in the shade Black, which I got as part of my January 2023 BoxyCharm Premium Box. It's the Item Beauty by Addison Rae Lucky Line Long-Wearing Waterproof Gel Eyeliner Pencil. It retails for $14. However, I did see that at Sephora right now online, it's like $6. It's super marked down. So I'm not usually too excited to see a black eyeliner in my beauty subscriptions, but I'm dedicated to trying all these products out on my YouTube channel here. So we're gonna see how it is. Already, I don't love that it's the type of eyeliner that you actually have to sharpen. At this point, I just prefer twist up pencils, but this is the type you'd have to use a pencil sharpener with. And before I apply it to my eye, I'm gonna go ahead and do a swatch. Ooh, that does write very nicely. It does seem very gel, glides on, good pigment. Since it's supposed to be so long-lasting and waterproof and all of that, I'm gonna go ahead and try it out on my waterline and let's see if it sticks there. No, it's not even drying on the waterline. It's going on like a very light hint of gray, so I'm trying to like draw over it a lot, but for it to not even go onto the waterline is not a very good sign. Yeah, I'm trying to draw it on the waterline and it's hard to get to stick on, and it's already like falling off of my waterline, I feel like. So I'm just gonna go a little below that and just line right along the lash line here. It's just applying like a regular pencil. Let's go ahead and try it on the other eye. Yeah, I wouldn't say this is great for the waterline. It's already coming off on this eye some more, but for right along the lower lash line, it's nice. I mean, it definitely gives that bold eyeliner effect, which I just don't really do much anymore. I feel like it needs to be blended and smoked out, and like to get it to look a little bit smoother. It just looks a little like jagged from the way I drew it on. I feel like it needs to be more like smoked out. I feel like I need to blend it and smooth it. So just like gonna pick up a little brush, but it's not super like blendable for that purpose. Don't feel like it really smudged out much. It is supposed to be smudge proof, so let's see. Yeah, I would say it actually is smudge proof with no transfer, which is pretty impressive for a pencil. Usually they would smudge or transfer, so that's nice. I mean, it's a decent, long-lasting black eyeliner pencil formula. If you are looking for a long-lasting black eyeliner pencil, this would be a good product to pick up right now since it is on super sale. But I didn't even see that this comes in other colors, so I'm just, yeah, I'm not too blown away by this, but it's also a decently fine eyeliner pencil. Let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on it if you've tried it out. But as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.